It should not for the result of the disease. It should be for the true disease. And what is the role of real homeopathy regarding this? As because real homeopathy has few certain principles. First, the most important is philosophy of early life. Almost everybody has received this 14 pages information regarding philosophy of early life. And all 8 medicines philosophy is mentioned there. But sorry to say, only reading this, only hearing this, nobody can practice, as because all this thing is following strictly the principles of real homeopathy. Besides this real homeopathy, besides this philosophy of early life, there is so more information besides all these things. But the most important thing is the philosophy of early life. Different 8 drugs add different philosophical view. First, I mention an example with which all of you will try to understand this difficult portion. A girl not married of 30 years, girl of 30 years or 32 like this. She loves very much for traveling. From when? Since her childhood. But one thing is very much important. That the baby want somebody will take her for wandering. But she was not agreed for wandering with lots of persons. He wanted this only with believable person, his father, his elder brother. She can believe only these very 2 male persons. Otherwise, no male person she can believe. From that very childhood, she never go out of house, out of home with unknown person. Or better to say, beside her father and her brother, she never went out for wandering. What it mean? Mean is this: she believed only selected person. Who are they? Her father and her brother. What it mean? Mean is this: that very baby was very suspicious. She can't believe everybody. She only believed the known person, her father and her elder brother. You see, what? This is the philosophical idea. So little baby want to wander And she is very much fond of wandering, but only with father and brother, not with other person. This is the philosophy of early life. But now she is, suppose, 30 years of age. Now also, she, in spite of very much happiest subject, is wandering, but she never wander beyond the believable friend circle. Those who are believable friend, only with them she is agree to go out for wandering. So during her infancy, she was suspicious. Now she is 30 years. Now also she is suspicious. What it is? This is pathophilosophical prescription. This is called as because this very philosophical idea, what was in his earlier days, and also having this very suspicious idea, and now also at the age of 30. According to her, she is this type of fellow. She can't believe easily anybody. She can't believe. So many persons, so many baby in the universe, in the world, so many baby following this very philosophical idea, the suspicion. And all those of suspicion, they must be introvert. And it is seen from I have seen from my study that they are family oriented, means family-centered life, means they always very much careful, very much responsible for the family, and also each and every member of the family. And this is remain unchanged for during these 30 years. This is called philosophy. Previously it was philosophy of early life, and now this is the philosophy of this age. And this is, the medicine is to the Occidentalists, the philosophical prescription of the individual. Like this, each and everybody is having different idea regarding life situation. And this idea regarding life situation is called philosophy of life. And it is from the beginning. It is from the early life. It was observed immediately after birth. Again, another point. Baby is very much angry. The mother understood this 30 minutes after giving birth of her child. Mind it, only after 30 minutes of giving birth, the mother understood that her baby is very much angry by nature. After 10. So you please mind, you please see, it is enjoyable. It is not for read. the baby's age is only 30 minutes. But mother understood that very moment that baby she is belongs to is having very anger. The baby is angry by nature. How? After giving birth, after becoming fresh, she came to her bed and saw the baby is weeping a lot. Someone from other bed told her, hey, please give her breast milk. I think your baby is hungry. And when the mother is ready for that, the baby refuse it. Just refuse it. The baby wanted to tell, why you are so late? No, I will not take your milk. Only at the age of 30 minutes. So this is called philosophy of early life. So everybody has certain type of philosophy. And with this very idea, the very important idea, nobody, no therapeutic system has given importance the philosophy of early life, except myself. Yes, one thing also I must mention. Master Hahnemann, Samuel Hahnemann, Master James Tyler Kent also has not given any importance to this the most valuable information, the philosophy of early life. Only I myself in the world first given importance to the philosophy of early life. And I have written all these things. I have verified my idea for many times. Verification, re-verification, re-verification. After that, I am here today, Dr. Syamal Kumar Das. Confirm my idea. Only this very idea we can treat each and every individual, not considering any symptom of the patient. No symptom is needed for the treatment following the real homeopathy. Go back procedure of real homeopathic therapeutic system. No symptom is needed. No desire aversion is needed. No pathological result is needed. Pathological report is needed, but not needed for the treatment. We have the need of this all pathological report, what for we are giving medicine and what we are treating, and by our treatment with real homeopathy, what problem has been solved. Only for this purpose, we are needed the pathological report. But mind it, pathological report is not needed for the treatment. No rubrics is needed for the treatment. No desire aversion. No complete symptom is needed. Only philosophy of early life is needed. So this is a different entity. And this is very much interesting. I must enjoy my invention. I must enjoy how beautiful application, how shortly the suffering is relieved, is being relieved, how shortly the suffering person who is crying previously now is laughing. So it gives me pleasure very much. I enjoy. I enjoy my invention. If everybody is ready to give hard labor for this 14 page, but see, for this 14 page, you have to read 1400 pages written by me to make it understand clearly. This very 14 page you have to read. 1400 pages written by me as a literature of go back procedure of real homeopathic therapeutic system. So, with this, I want to tell the world, the physician of different therapeutic system, if you want the welfare of the humanity, welfare of the human civilization, welfare of the human race, you must have to read a lot, because this is written in the book, but this is from the knowledge of the book, not utilized without your own understanding. You have to grow your analytical idea. First, you have to grow the analytical idea regarding all these things. পেন ড্রাইভের কাজ কখন হয়ে গেছে? তুমি পাগল আছো? এই তো পেন ড্রাইভ করে হবে না, হবে না, হবে না। তুমি এখন যাও, এখন যাও। তুমি কালকে শোনো, রাতে ফোন করো আমাকে। আমি ফোন করলে ধরো না, তুমি করো। বাড়ি দিয়ে 10টার পরে করো। So now my message is to for the therapeutic world. Really, if you want the welfare of the human race, your idea should have to change, must have to change. As because the treatment for the result of the disease, treatment of the suffering, considering the symptom of the suffering, treatment regarding the suffering, considering pathological report, is harmful. Is very much harmful. You please consider the point. I am very much grateful to James Tyler Cain for given this very divine idea. What is the procedure should be the treatment. No medicine should be used considering the symptom of the suffering, considering the rubrics for the suffering, considering the pathological report regarding suffering. So we can proceed with my 8 medicines for COVID or non-COVID or psychological COVID, I must tell. And see, I have given one idea regarding Thuja. The one idea. Thuja, Medo, Hydrophobium, they are in same category. But difference is there. What it is? 3 of them are family oriented. 3 of them, the ambition of 3 of them is the welfare of the family and family member. The same idea regarding this. So I am telling these 3 medicines are family oriented. Means these 3 are thinking only for their family and for the family member.